You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate. This is Lanakai. So, we got something special for you today. We met up with Grub Life over in Rose City. Rose City Pizza, that is. And we got their Filipino Pizza. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Look at this. Look at that. That's goodness right there. So, Grub Life collaborated with Rose City. They came up with this Filipino pizza, and we're gonna check it out. So, man, one of the biggest things it's like a breakfast pizza almost, because it has like longanisa, like beef longanisa, and they use lean beef so you don't get those burps, and then also an egg on top and some sauce. Let's check this out. Look at this. Aesthetically, this looks pretty. Can't eat pizza yet. Yeah, I know. She want pizza. Alright, let's try this. Yo, that's actually pretty good. It's getting a little fussy because you can't have this pizza. I know. Don't worry. She don't have teeth yet. So, the longanisa meat is like a little sweet, and the egg really complements it. I'm not a big egg fan, but it goes good with this pizza. Give me 1 second. What's this? That's the Manila Sunrise Pizza, right?
Manila Sunrise. Alright, let's check it out.
She's a little mad at me because you can't have this pizza, but this is a really good pizza. I mean, we had to drive back from Rose City to bring it back here. I can just imagine how much better it tastes right when it's hot. But hey man, this is real cool. They're actually gonna do another collab next month at Rose City. We'll put the information so that way you can check them out. Also, do me a favor, follow Grub Life. They do pop-ups from here and there, sometimes in North Hollywood, sometimes in LA. They got some good food, and I'm actually glad they did this because they're actually trying to bring the Filipino palate, and they're fusing it so that way it's more aesthetically appealing just for you guys. And the cool thing is this pizza is affordable because like a big pizza like this, share with your family and friends, 20 bucks. Thank you for joining us today. If you guys have any places you want us to check out, put it in the comments below. Let us know. And we'll try to check it out. Do us a favor, share this with your family and friends because they'll love it. Hit that subscribe button so that way you can watch more videos just like this one. And we're going to catch you in the next video. But much love, Grub Life. This is Bomb.